Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I partnered with Clover to bring you a really fun Christmas ornament. So Clover makes these amazing needle felting tools, which allows you to easily make felting projects, which is what we're making today. Today we're making these adorable felt ornaments for your Christmas tree, or you can give them to a friend, or you can attach them to a present. If you want to see the very simple way to make your own, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope this inspires you to start playing with some of Clover's needle felting tools. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.